And I'd say the second one is, how do we take advantage of this 5G network that we're all rolling out and make sure that we're not just going to the least common denominator of just providing raw connectivity, but taking advantage of some of the capabilities that 5G has to offer.
Energy in the form of mobility is driverless, automated vehicles, logistics, and automated drones. So what we're seeing is just the first inklings of this new platform, these three internets in one.
AI will be distributed at the edge, present at the location, and understand the logic of the physical world. This is where AI RAN and 6G change everything. The radio network becomes a distributed AI. Every base station with NVIDIA Aerial becomes an AI computer. And 6G is the connective fabric. Computing, sensing, and connectivity converge. This creates entirely new opportunities for the telecommunications industry. That's why this moment matters. I'm thrilled to see our vision of AI RAN taking shape. Everything that moves will be robotic.
I'm going to go back to that term platform. There will be a platform. That platform will be generating tokens, AI applications. It will also be generating bits, as John called it, which is the radio access network. And
for our country to really reach the scale that it can be, for it to be successful, we need to be the leader in the world of 5G and 6G. So
new era we're entering in. From eVTOLs, drones, autonomous vehicles, to space travel, we're in a global race to out-innovate and out-compete the rest of the world.